Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ate. As you already know, babes, I'm a mom of 3 cute adorable boys, and please guys, it's my birthday. Help me say a prayer to God Almighty for preserving me for 365 days down below in the comment section. And today's video is a get ready with me clean girl kind of makeup, okay? If that looks like what you want to see, then guys, keep watching. I got you. It's my birthday. I'ma do what I like. Hey guys, so today's process, I'm using this Hazel facial toner. I love the effect of this on my skin.
If you have a oily skin like mine, then go get this.
I started off using my Maro Bradesco spray just to hydrate my face, and before doing this, you need to check it very well, and then you go 2-3 sprays, okay? Things not there.
This is important to hydrate the skin, and then I use a mini fan to dry it, and I also use my beauty blender from the Yglam Cosmetics to just blend that and dab into the skin.
When it's properly dried, the next thing I do is to add my serum, and this is from the Snail essence, okay? This is very important. 1 or 2 pump. You see all these things like this, okay? You can either use a flat brush, okay? So you can either use a brush for your serum application or you use your hand. And then it's very, very important for me to use my mini fan to just dry this process before moving to the next process, which is my moisturizer. And then I went in with my e.l.f. moisturizer.
This is one of those moisturizer that is makeup friendly, water based, and also perfect for oily skin. I use this every day while going out, and I'm loving the effect on my skin. When I'm done blending, I just use my hand to dab it and apply the essences on my neck area.
And then I'm going in with this Smashbox primer, okay, pocket friendly. And then I'm just going to apply this only on the T-zone area, which is my nose, my forehead, under my cheek. So these are the only areas where I apply mattifying primer.
See foundation, when you first put on, it will be like juju, but no worry, calm down, gonna sink. And those 2 foundations are usually one of my favorite, which is the Anastasia's Beverly Hills foundation mixed with Hudah Beauty foundation. As you can see, I started off by applying foundation on one part of my face before going to the other part of my face, and you know, I started from the lower area so that in case it doesn't match my skin properly, I'm going to be changing it, okay? And see, I just start from the lower part and then I move upward and I go and apply the essences on my forehead, and then trust me, it is time to go back to my beauty blender. Mind you, it's called beauty blender because it's wet, okay, but with no water inside. So you just dab and blend properly, and then it was time for contour. Check out my cheekbone. See how my skin is glowing from the inside, okay? So I just apply a bit of a darker shade, a shade darker foundation on my zygomatic bone, and then I like to place the product first, and then I like to now continue blending in a V circular motion, okay? Just see how my cheekbone is shining, see how my skin is glowing from the inside, eh? Trust me, a proper skin prep in makeup is very, very important, absolutely important. It helps to give an healthy glow. And then I'm just trying to snatch my nose, like the proper nose contour. So that's that. I just place the product, and I'm using the same beauty sponge that I use in foundation to also apply my contour. I use the edge of the beauty sponge to place the product, and then I go blending. And now it's time for highlights. For concealer, I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin in shade 12 x12, and then I'm using this brush from a Nigerian brand called MK Beauty. So this Kevyn Aucoin concealer, I've been using it for quite a while now. I think probably 3 years or 4 years, and it's one of the best concealer I've used. It's just that it's quite pricey. The last time I got it was 39,000. I only got know how much it been. I heard some people say 40 something. Anyway, that's that.
So guys, I mixed this pink Fuchsia pink, orange together at the back of this my hand. I've never actually used these three colors together, so let's see.
Most times this looks scary until it is properly blended. So I tried the orange, pink and wine blush. I mixed everything together at the back of my palm, and I'm just going to place it at the upper cheekbone, and I'll go in a V motion. Anyways, we have 5 type of blush method application now. If you want to see how, please let me know in the comment section and I'll do that video for you, because now na blush now they rain. The blush these days, they go put for eyeshadow, they go put her for corner of your eye, enter your brow, they'll put her for center of your face, enter your nose, they'll put her for corner of your face. So those are the 5 type of blush that is trending in 2024. If you know you want to learn it, let me know, so that on the comment section write it, say I want to know the 5 type of blush method application, and I will do that for you. As for now, I did do it to work for me, and this method of blush application now work for me. You can see how that concealer just fade in, and then one of the important things to do is to take your remaining excesses of concealer in your beauty blender under your zygomatic bone to uplift your lower cheek bone. I bet this one on your face. What is the color for English? This one, is it the English word? Please let me know in the comment section. Anyway, so I keep blending in makeup. There are no rules. Just keep blending and do what works for you, as long as it is your skin tone, your skin color. And on this day I was going for a very neutral nude.
So guys, check out skin on skin, okay? Note, I did not spray any setting spray, or I didn't spray on my skin. What you have here is basically my highlights and my contour and my blush. This is your Milani powder. This is one of my all-time favorite powder for setting my makeup, okay? And I love the effect it gives my skin. And then the shade here is 108 and 109 mixed together.
So guys, I started off by setting my makeup, my highlight with this Milani powder in the shade 108, which is warm. And
please be praying for me, oh. It's my birthday, oh. Just they pray for me. They pray for me, oh, so that they give you juicy tips like this. You know, say you like the tips, so they give you help you. If they follow body come out, you know you do makeup talk to. So I beg, reward me, and please remember to wash my hands. What I did on my right hand side is what I'm doing here, just to uplift my face. And this part of the face is called, this is my zygomatic bone, okay? So what you need to do is just bring that powder or the excesses remaining on your beauty blender or your brush for your highlight. So you just place that below and see how it just properly give my face its proper structure, and it uplift my face. But mind you, my face not laid down before. My face that are not highlighted, I just go in with this same Milani powder in the shade Deep, and as you can see, I'm also applying it under my contour and my blush, okay, just to dim it. So that's it. So if you have money, why not just get the 3 shades of Milani powder, which is deep, medium and warm, okay for yourself. So it's not basically about your light skin or your dark skin. This is my personal makeup.
Note guys, I've been using this beauty sponge from my foundation application to my highlights, to my contour and to my concealer. And I love using beauty blender to apply powder product because it doesn't give any harsh line or leave any harsh line on my face, compared to when I use some brush trying to snatch that nose. Gonna look all pointed because it is my birthday. It's my birthday. I really thank God for the gift of life. Thank God for the free hair we breathe. No one is in the hospital, nothing missing, nothing broken. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you all the t-shirts I made. I deliberately wrote some customized t-shirts, maximum grace, minimum effort, highly favored and mercified. I look back and thank God, I look forward and thank God. You know, these are some of the t-shirts I wore. I'm great, I'm adorable, I'm lovable, I'm blessed, I'm beautiful, I'm strong, you know, with all the Bible scriptures on it, okay?
So this is one of those blush palettes I've been using on this channel for a while now, and it's from a Nigerian brand called Yglam. Okay, there are 2 and I've been mixing both, but for today I just want a brown bronzy neutral look, Okay, so I went in with this color. And this beauty blender is also from this Nigerian brand called Yglam Cosmetics, as you can see. I use this beauty blender for my foundation, for my highlight, for my contour, for my powder, for my setting powder, and now for my blush. I've not used any brush since I started this makeup. Go get yours.
It's time for the brows, so I just applied my Brow brow tamer on my brows to keep my hair in place, and while that is drying up, I'll be applying my eyeshadow. I applied my eyeshadow primer and I applied that on both eyes, blend it properly before going in with my eyeshadow. Before my eyeshadow application, I usually go in with a dark powder, my bronzer that I use on my nose contour, and then I'll apply that at the bridge of my brows, and then I'll take that all the way into my eye crease.
So guys, I usually apply any of my brown bronzy powder, contour powder on my eye crease. Okay, I just extend a little that it was to use this warm orange color from the Juvia's palette on my eyes. Funny thing is, I don't even know which look I want to achieve, but I shall not say any way big will find.
I will just fast forward the entire thing because truth is that I put more than 9 colors, if not 10 eyeshadow inside this eye. I blend everything together. I actually don't know what I want to do on this day. I just know say I just put color anywhere, way for start, way for end. But the most important thing is everything blended each other and it's fine at the end of the day. Color, I don't go brown now. From green, blue, black, grey, I don't enter brown. I blended everything, the entire eyeshadow using a fluffy brush, and then I took my Merak brush, angle brush, and I went in with my gel liner, and then I went in with my gel liner from the Tehila. I love how this is so dark and blendable and does not smudge. And then I went back into the brows to properly highlight under my brows. That's all for the eyes. Well blended, smoky. And then I blended the entire makeup look. My powder went in my finishing powder, which was from the MAC Skin Finish Mineralizing. And then I think I used dark and dark deepest for contour. So that's it, guys. Let's skip to the lip parts.
Hey guys, of course you know, if you are a newbie here, please, this product Beauty by Jones is a Nigerian brand based in Canada. And this is no hype. You need this product, very blendable. Just check out. And guys, this is supposed to be a matte lip stain. Don't worry, let me show you what this lip gloss will do for you.
Not be everything that they put story for person. See, a matte lip stain and a lip gloss from the same brand, Beauty by Jones, without any lip liner. Check them out and go and buy yours. Tell me you don't like it. And I went in with my finishing spray, which is the all-time Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. See how this is just going to melt off all the powder effect on my face. Tell me say you don't like it, you see all the details popping out. And then I also spray a little of that on my beauty blender, and I'm just dabbing some of the areas on my face that I know that beauty blender did not, that setting spray did not go to. And here I just applied my glow from the Cosmetics. Guys, please, I really want to apologize for this green stuff that is applying on the screen. It's a reflection of a light and a mirror. I'm so sorry about this. While editing, I found out that it was really bad and terrible, like very bad. So sorry about it. Sorry about it, guys. So after blending my entire look using my beauty blender, I went in with a small brush for my nose to snatch those nose, using my highlighter from the Fenty Beauty Amani Karat and Candy Cogna. Guys, we're done with this clean girl makeup look. I trust and I hope you enjoyed every bit and techniques on this. Happy birthday to me in this new age. I pray for peace, I pray for growth, I pray for good health, I pray for wisdom, and I pray for spiritual growth.
Hey guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you love everything about this clean girl makeup look and soft smoky eyes. Please do well to say a prayer for me down below. Happy birthday to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be at peace, smile often, and Bye guys.